This problem asks you for the equation of a line that is perpendicular to a certain line and goes through a certain point. And so if you understand how to do this problem, that's probably good enough. If you know how to do this problem because it involves several different things, you will probably know how to do all of the homework and all of the questions on the test. So let me explain how to do this. First of all, we need to remember two different forms for the equation of a line. So let me put them up here magically. Okay, so there they are. This is the slope-intercept form of a line, and this is the point-slope form of a line. And so we're going to use this form right here in order to determine some things about this line. So our line that we're going to write an equation for is supposed to be perpendicular to this line. And so the one thing we want to know about this line is, what is its slope? Well, notice that it has this form right here, and in the place of where m is, for this line, m is equal to negative 1/3. Okay, so that's going to help us. If our line is perpendicular to that, we take the negative 1/3 and flip it upside down and put a negative sign in front of it, and so it's 3/1, or 3. So the slope of our line is going to be 3. Okay, so we know that the slope of our line is 3, and we know that it goes through this point right here, negative 3, negative 4. And so we can start to construct the different pieces we need, and we'll use this equation to construct the equation of our line. And so we have an x1, y1 is equal to negative 3, negative 4. So that gives us the x1 and the y1 that we need. And then we know that m is equal to 3. And so with these three pieces, we can plug in those three pieces into these red spots right here, and that gives us the equation. So y minus a negative 4 is equal to 3x minus a negative 3. Now, y minus a negative, I could just write plus, so let me do that. Y plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 3. And that's the equation of a line. If I wanted to simplify a little bit, I could solve for y. This is okay, but let me just simplify it so you can see what that looks like. Y plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 9. Subtract 4 from both sides. Y equals 3x plus 5. So that's the equation of the line that's perpendicular to this. Perpendicular means it has a negative reciprocal of the slope, and it goes through this point.